So we are going to make the dark Tropaai punch. This is wonderful, and I used Worthy Park 109 for the rum. Now, add all of your ingredients to a shaker, but first starting off with adding the ice. Then you're going to add 45 mils of dark rum. Again, I used the Worthy Park 109. Ooh, packs a punch. 20 mils of Campari. 15 mils of honey or agave or syrup, whatever it is that you'd like to use for your syrup of choice. 45 mils of pineapple juice. I used fresh. I made this myself. Oh yeah, it's lovely. And 15 mils of fresh lime juice. Fresh is always best, people, when you can get it. Now, give all that a good shake. Obviously put the lid on first. Once you think it's all chilled, get your glass, a highball glass or whatever glass you'd like to use. Put your ice into the glass and then use your strainer. Get all those lovely ingredients into your glass. Leave a bit of space for your ice cream, because this is the most important ingredient for me anyway. I used mango ice cream. It was homemade. You don't have to, but just get an ice cream of choice and then put a generous scoop in there. Then add your garnish. I used a pineapple wedge and some pineapple leaves. Put your straw in and enjoy this festive period with the dark Tropaai punch. Cheers!